I have to shed some light on a very underrated explainer. A current Filipino import na ngayon ay naglalaro para sa Dewa United, and his name is Kin. You know what time it is? Hands in. First off, to all of our friends in Indonesia, we're definitely hoping that you guys are all safe. I personally admire your bravery standing up for injustice, and you continue to inspire so many people, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, to also fight for what we believe in is right. But going back to the topic, this is Kin, na naunang magpakitang gilas when Maro Esports, an amateur team here in the Philippines, went up against Team Liquid Philippines. And yung isa sa mga naging highlights na nakita sa kanya ng mga tao was his Arlot when he kind of solo killed Carl TZ. Not really kind of, because he actually did. And this is the kind of explosiveness na gusto mo mula sa isang XP-laner. Meron kasing dalawang XP-laner in my opinion. One that would usually just be the sponge, na parang secondary roamer sila. And the other one would potentially be the playmaker of the team. Kin can be both of that. Para sa Dewa United, this is a gem of a pickup galing sa kanila because Kin is a player na hindi na kinailangan dumaan ng MDL. Rekta MPL na siya kaagad. Being one of the biggest markets in MLBB, mas madali siyang makapagpaitang gilas doon. And you'll never know where that kid could get. You're going up against Lutpi and other top XP laners na nasa Indonesia, if there are any.